Morning, everyone. It is 8:35. Excuse me, on this Friday morning, end of the week. And we had a bunch of numbers this morning, so let's get to it. This is your pre-opening comment video number 4051. Okay. Um, Spending, personal income and spending. Personal income was up 3/10. That's pretty much as expected. Personal spending was up 7/10 versus up 2/10 um, last month, sorry. Inflation adjusted, that's up 5/10 versus up 2/10. The PCE on a month over month basis came in a little hot, up 2/10 versus down 0.1. The year over year is exactly as it was last month, up 2.6 versus up 2.6. Core PCE uh, up 2/10 versus up 1/10, so a little bit hot. But the year over year number is up 2.9% versus expectations of 3%. Um, we have pending home sales at 10 o'clock. When I came down at 7, we were uh, down 4 in the Dow, down 61 in the Nasdaq, and down 3 in the S&P. Right before the numbers came out at 8:29, we were down 50 in the Dow, down 64 in the S&P, in the Nasdaq, and down 4 in the S&P. Right now, after the numbers, the Dow is down 94, Nasdaq is down 85, and the S&P is down about 9. So the numbers being a little hot, market a little bit of a dip here. Now, we also had two big numbers last night, which were Intel and Visa, both of which sent both of those stocks lower. I mentioned that because they're in the Dow. This morning, we had American Express, also a Dow stock. They missed top and bottom line, but gave good guidance. The stock had closed at 188.07 and moved as high as 194.85 with a last. Let me just give you a up to the second last. The last is 191.77, and that is up $5.27. So that is helping the Dow on the losing side, but in point of fact, it's still sharply lower. Colgate with a beat, closed 81.22, got as high as 82.49. Last is 82, up just 78 cents. And Norfolk and Southern also with a miss, and that one closed yesterday at 237.85. The low there is 234. The last is 235. And that 235 is down. Let's see. That 235 is down about $2.85 or 1.2%. Chart on the screen is the oil, ran right up to the 200-day MA, backing off a little, but a very short range so far. We do have this continuation move from the day that we bought those XLEs, of higher highs, primarily higher highs and higher lows, with the exception of a couple of days here. Of the last 8 days, 6 of them have been higher highs and higher lows. So I'm not terribly concerned. We did sell half on the 100% up rule, so I'm not terribly concerned. We're down 81 cents there. That was up 227 yesterday, so that's about a third pullback. Nat gas is down another just about 2 cents. Gold up 5. silver up 3.8 cents. The Bitcoin is up 1,360. This was perfect. We had it in the letter to be a buyer of the BITX if we got down as low as, closing this gap and getting in here, which we did. Those options that we were looking at were $1.30 at the time. So we have a couple of those. And, the point is, or one of the points is, you have to read the letter and see when there are actual trades in it that aren't just signals. So hope everyone went along with that one. The dollar is slightly lower, I believe. Let me just take a look. Yep, down 30 cents. And the bonds are down 4 ticks, so not much. All right, everyone. Have a good day. Have a good weekend. Pending home sales comes at 10 o'clock. I don't expect it to be market moving.